Hello, my name is Satu Teerikangas. I work as Professor of Management and Organization at the School of Economics at the University of Turku, which is in Finland, and I'm also an Honorary Professor at University College London in the UK. I'm sending you greetings from the World Biodiversity Forum, which is taking place every second year in Davos in Switzerland, and giving you a few highlights from the program. I'm here this year with my team called the Biodiversity-Respectful Leadership Team. We are representing an interdisciplinary consortium of researchers from across different universities in Finland. And over the last years, we've been engaged with exploring and making sense of what kind of leadership is needed to address biodiversity loss and the biodiversity crisis. And it was our kind of it was an honor to be here and to discuss this work and see how it resonates with the community. I was here 2 years ago at the conference, and it was a conference that that really made a difference for me. As a dream in terms of going forward, this is a place where the World Economic Forum takes place every year. My dream going forward, and I think that is shared by many here, is that going forward there will not be a separate World Economic Forum and World Biodiversity Forum, that there will be one forum where the key focus is on nature, a healthy planet and biodiversity, and where economy takes second stance. And I think that is the kind of direction we need to go to. In terms of other highlights from the program, I think all of us here present recognize the dire nature of the ecological state of the world and biodiversity crisis, so we don't need to repeat that to this community, but it does need to be repeated to the broad masses around the world. But instead, what we want to hand out as a second message, and an important message, is that instead of only losing hope and complaining, let's focus on what we can do. Let's focus on empowering one another. Let's do those biodiversity acts, and let's make a difference in the world. And with those words, sending you a lot of warm greetings from this conference. Perhaps ending with highlights from the keynote this afternoon. An indigenous representative from the US Indian populations, who very powerfully reminded us that we are all, as human species, guardians of nature, and that is something that we as Europeans have forgotten, or intentionally our culture has destroyed over the last 2,000 years, both here in Europe as well as around the world, and that is something that makes many of us quite hopeless. But what was very powerful in this lady's presentation was that she was saying that based on the indigenous people's knowledge and wisdom from thousands of years ago and still now, they are calling and recognizing our role as human species as guardians of Earth, and recognizing that when we take such an approach, we can live in harmony with Earth, with one another. But it starts by working on an equal basis, and it starts also with an inner transformation. But with these words, sending kind greetings to everyone, and greetings I think that we all share, which is that we need to primarily take care of our planet, and once we take care of our planet, each locally in our areas, then we have a solid future ahead collectively as a globe. Thank you.